Jeremy Michael Boorda was a United States Navy admiral who served as the 25th Chief of Naval Operations. Boorda is notable as the first person to have risen from the enlisted ranks to become Chief of Naval Operations, the highest-ranking billet in the United States Navy. Boorda died by suicide by shooting himself in the chest after leaving suicide notes reported to contain expressions of concern that he had tarnished the reputation of the Navy following a media investigation into the legitimacy of his having worn on his uniform 2 service ribbons with bronze V devices, which indicate the awards were for acts of valor. The V devices are by regulation only to be awarded to personnel who performed an act of valor in actual combat, and Boorda had not served in combat. Boorda had removed the 2 ribbon devices on his uniform almost a year before he died and was generally perceived as having made a good faith error in believing he was authorized to wear the devices. Boorda was born in South Bend, Indiana, to Jewish parents, Gertrude Wallace and Herman Boorda. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.